Okay, boy has got into miniatures, so we're going to make a really simple unit to put in our little downstairs loo with lots of shelves in it, but you can display them in really simply. We're going to use some birch ply, some 18mm stuff to make the outside, some 9mm birch to make the back and the shelf. Then we'll make a door, like a really simple cabinet door with glass on it. It's going to be really deep, it's going to be 1.1 high, so we can just got loads of storage really. The top's not going to be for display at all, but it will mean we can store lots of minis in there. And that's it really. So what I've got is I've got some birch ply left over from another project. I'm going to cut this up. So we've got two pieces, about 70mm thick. The 70mm thick, by the time we've got a board on there, 9mm, that'll give us 60mm on the inside, which is plenty wide enough for what we're looking for. I don't want it too big, the room's quite small anyway. 75. Right, we'll miter these together, I think, and then we can rebate the back to put back on it. Okay, so I'm gonna rebate the back of this to take the back, using the router table. This sheet of 9mm birch now is going to form the back. It's also, I'm going to rip some pieces down for the shelves as well. So we're going to rip a piece now to fit inside here. So we can measure to the widest point of our miter just about. Right, I was thinking about maybe routing this into the back, but actually at 60mm thick is plenty thick enough. So it means I need to route some grooves now in this 18mm board, in both of them, but we can pair them up, save us a bit of work. Right, to wrap myself a little housing, I'm going to offset it from the fence because I've got one of these that sits in the track. That's 44mm from there to there. So I've got a little block here, 44mm. I'm going to try and just hold it and see what happens, so it's less to clamp and move each time. those grooves routed in there now, I'm going to pin this because I intend to probably paint the outside of this, so it won't matter. There's no point doing extra work for the sake of extra work. Right, now I'm going to glue all these shelves in, and there is a little bit of bow in the ply, so what I will do is just clamp it up once it's glued. So just gluing on the sides. More than after, let's take the clamps off. Have a look what we got. For finish, I'm going to use some Danish oil. I've got some of this left from a job I did before Christmas. So you've got that much left. It doesn't keep in the can unless you can get all the air out. So for me, it's better to use this than something else at the moment. We'll wear gloves. Okay, the unit is made and oiled now. I'm going to go fit it in the bathroom. There's not enough room to film in there, in the little downstairs toilet, so I'm just going to put it up. I'll show you afterwards. I've ordered some hinges for it, which will fit glass on there. We'll have to get the glass cut, and we've cut with the holes in as well. Okay, it's been well over a month since I ordered the glass. Apparently there was some trouble with making it. Apparently it broke in the kiln. But these things are not often used to delay your deliveries. And I've got it here with the holes in, so let's just hope I've measured it right. I'm going to go put it up. Then the hinges are kind of like kitchen hinges. They go into the holes on here. So we've got this, goes through like that. Got this other piece. So there we go, we've got one hinge fixed on. I'll fix the others on now. Okay, so the room is too small to set the tripod up in. You can see here, this is how big it is, not very big at all. I've got this unit here. What I've done is I've marked out the centre of the hinges. I've got a hinge that I'm going to put on here now, and just temporarily fix them in place, make the holes, and hold the glass up, and just screw in the door. So I'm not going to film that, but I'm hoping it's all going to fit nicely. I wish I could film it at the same time, but I just can't. Okay, so it's finished. I've enjoyed making this. I feel like it's a really nice use of what is essentially a useless space. You know, it doesn't take up much room at all. Kind of gets the boys' stuff in here away from, you know, being on the table over there. What I might do now is build another one exactly the same on this side, just to mirror it, because I think this one's pretty full already. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.